100 miles a minute. I'm freaking out, something's telling me this is love. And my heart is working over.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Tabitha Marie, and I'm so excited that you took the time to click on my video. So thank you. If you're not subscribed, I love it if you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified on all my video posts. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm coming to you with some new products that I just want to share and test out. I already have my foundation on, so nothing's new there. Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer, and it's in the shade Deep. We're going to be testing it out today. I'm in need of a new concealer. I really hope this one works. Comes with a nice doe foot applicator. No smell. Alright, so I'm just going to go back over there with my damp Real Technique sponge to kind of blend and press all the product into my skin. Okay, while this is gonna bake for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. I got a new brow pencil, and it is by e.l.f. And it's just called a brow pencil. It was $2 at my local Target. Start at the bottom. I use the natural shape of my brow to kind of outline, if that makes sense. So I'm just going along the natural lining of my brow and extending it ever so slightly. But a good rule of thumb is to stop at the outer corner of your eye, like that. And that's the most natural looking brow. Look flat. I'm gonna take that Smashbox concealer to clean up. So just light strokes, and I don't go right underneath the line. I kind of started maybe like a few centimeters below. I don't know if you guys can see that. Because if you push up and you make a mistake, your whole brow is messed up. So right below it, and just use like a sweeping motion. Sweep out, and then I like to press it downward. And then I go in, can you guys see that? Closer to the line that I drew. So if you raise your brows just a little bit, you can really get right underneath there. I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see. You guys are all in my personal space right now. I don't mind. I want us all to have good brows. I did pick up a new blush, and it's by the brand Nikkei, New York. Got this at my beauty supply store. Very pretty, and I'm actually gonna play with these colors on my eyes, so super excited to try some color. This color first on a flat shimmer brush. And for highlight, I'm gonna take my Black Radiance Flawless. went ahead and put on my earrings. To finish off the look, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys a new lip product that I got at my local beauty supply store. If you haven't noticed, I live in there. This is in the color Mauve. Really pretty. And I also have the color Mahogany. So we're gonna try and starting with Mahogany, I'm going to overline my lips just a teeny bit. And I'm gonna fill in the center with Mauve. Hey guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. I think it turned out pretty good for my first time really trying to do a cut crease, playing with some color. I'm so in love with it. I did use a few different palettes, but I will leave them in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for all your love and support.